good. It's very neutral.
Good.
It doesn't try to do something stupid or kill us. I like that. Especially with this amount of power, it's a very welcome feature.